Hello, good afternoon everyone. My name is Prasad Patil. Today we are going to see a program, Arduino program, to measure a moisture with the help of moisture sensor and NodeMCU 8266. Now, before going to the programming, let us see to the circuit connections. So the circuit connection consists of, this is the moisture sensor, okay, and this is a called holder. Generally this is attached with the moisture sensor, combiningly if we see in a market, and this is the NodeMCU 8266 which consists of Wi-Fi facility. Now let us explain the connections. Now the 2 points will go to the holder, and this holder will contain VCC, ground, DC, D0 and A0. A0 will go to the A0 section on the, so let me first attach this. So correct now, this is okay. So VCC will go to the VIN pin on the NodeMCU, and G and D will go to the ground pin onto the pin which is present on NodeMCU, and this pin AO will go to the AO pin on the NodeMCU. So this is all about the circuit connection, and this NodeMCU is connected to the USB. Now let me explain the code. We have two methods, void setup and void loop. In void setup method, we have initialized input sensor by giving a name. Generally we give a name, but we are not giving any name because here we are directly using A0. So we are initializing pin mode A0 comma input because it is taking the input. So that at AO point, at AO pin, we are connecting the sensor pin, and we are giving serial.begin 9600. Now let us go to the void loop. As we know, setup code will be executed only once, and a loop method will be executed repeatedly. So now we are declaring one variable of type integer, and we are reading what? We are reading analogs because it is analog device. So we are reading it from A0 because the sensor pin is connected to the A0 pin on the node. And now I am taking this A0, and from A0 I am reading analog because it is analog device. I am reading it. Now after reading this, I am storing it into the variable called sensor value. Now nextly, if we see here, we have int moisture underscore percentage. This is another variable of type int, and here we are giving a mathematical expression or algebraic expression, 100 minus bracket sensor value divided by 1023.00 into 100. So after calculating this value, so sensor value we will get it from this variable, okay, and then we are substituting here, and then we are dividing by 1023 into 100. So after calculating this value, we are storing it into the variable called moisture percentage, and this moisture percentage will be printed over here. So whatever we place into the double quotes, that will be printed as it is. Now serial.print is like, it is a serial monitor. This is the serial monitor. See, the moisture percentage is 0 because the moisture sensor is not inserted into the water, so that's why it is showing 0, and still the program is going on, it is running. So we are printing the value of moisture percentage onto the serial monitor, right, onto the serial monitor. See, moisture percentage, moisture underscore percentage colon, how much it is, since it is not reading any value, it is not reading any value of moisture, so that's why it is showing 0. Then we have given a delay of 1000 microseconds. 1000 microseconds means 1 second. So this is all about the coding part, and this loop method will go on, and between every loop method we have given a delay of 1 second, that is 1000 microseconds. Now let us see the practical part of it. So let us see the practical aspect of moisture sensor. Now this is called moisture sensor. It has metallic strips, so it can sense the water or a moisture that is present within a soil or normally soil. So in place of soil we are using a normal water. Okay, so let us see the practical aspects of this. Now the moment I insert, before that I want you all people to see the moisture percentage. Now it is out of the water. You can see here it is out of the water, my dear friends. This is out of the water. Now the moment I put this sensor into the water, you can see there is a change in the moisture percentage to 14, 17, 15, 14, 13, 12. So as I insert the moisture sensor, the moisture percentage will also increase. You can see it. So the moisture percentage ranges from 0 to 100. So this is how I put this sensor into the water. You can see there is a change in the moisture percentage to 14, 17, 15, 14, 13, 12. So as I insert the moisture sensor, the moisture percentage will also increase. You can see it. So the moisture percentage ranges from 0 to 100. So this is how we sense the moisture from the soil and any substances. Suppose if I start removing gradually, you can see there is a decline or there is a depreciation of moisture percentage. You can see here 14, 9, 4, 3, 0. Now this is out. You can see here this is the moisture strip, that is sensor is out of the water and moisture percentage is 0 over here. I hope you all have understood this session. Please like this video and share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you and good day.